One lady just narrowly escaped kidnapping. This one happened inside Enugu State. The one wey surprise me, they want kidnap this girl inside keke napep. Keke wey no get door. Now person wan use in kidnapping business go dey start from there. Some people they don't even get mind. But as we gather this information, this lady say she come outside say she won't go hustle some kind small personal matter wey she get on a daily basis. Now there she order this Uber keke. Say keke come carry me go this kind place. Now there keke driver start to dey move. But as the keke dey move, now there she begin this and say this road no be where I make you carry me go now. Now there keke driver talk say okay, say because of hold up traffic. Now he won't go use this road. But before I go see keke driver don't carry this girl to go another place. Now the auntie begin panic. They ask this man, where they carry me go? Where they carry me go? Oga say, shut up. Shut up. You never even if that's in even shout for this woman head. See, I make she keep quiet. Hey, my people beg, make now follow me watch.
They do in a business, they allow in the first year. Because only is the right.
I don't really understand your movement. That's the truth. I don't understand your movement. Eh? Have you passed here before? Have you passed here before? Inside here or here? What is going on? Huh? Have you passed here or here? And you're telling me you are going to Jamal. What is the connection between here and Jamal?
So say that you are privileged.
Now God really saved this girl. See as they go. Now there she see some people say, in fact, she dey panic. She don't even feel move. I call the reasons. This thing a keke or person feel fly. But I should say maybe these guys don't use juju, gum and nash. Sit down for that chair. Now I make sure say reasons. She no go fit come outside. So as she dey go lock just there on her side, she can't see some people for there. Now they themselves reason say it be like say something they happen inside this keke na pep. Now there they can't stop them. Now there the girl can't explain say see what this guy will do. But say this keke man talk say lie. He no carry this guy they go anywhere. See now the place where the girl talk now they carry and go. I can't be surprised. So you will no hear. You know hear where the girl talk before. You can't carry and they enter inside one place and say nobody there. Luckily for the girls, then these people will stop them. They'll be security officers. So if not be say God just want to help this girl, now so they go just carry her go. We go here say they don't cut her head one day. And miss all these people when they come outside now they go somewhere, making that they careful. They come when they ask this guy question. The guy they talk say, I want to kidnap person because of 300 naira. But I just say this guy intention, now another thing. It just be say people will catch them na vigilante. They know to take the matter serious. Now make if they hear say they don't even release the guy. Say the guy they complain say, may they carry this man go police station. But they look and say, no evidence. Person will carry person. After inside they go and Okpaja, you carry me go Shibiri. What do you mean? It means say you won't kidnap me. This one it means say na something where you don't plan, you get easy. You don't use to blind the person. I saw the person no go notice. And as the person even still notice you, they tell say make she keep quiet, make she no move. It means say you know what they happen now. It means say you understand what they really happen. So I beg my people, all these kind of things where they happen. This one now, no be only Kaduna kidnapping they happen. It don't they happen inside small Enugu. You know if you come out again, keke driver now, they don't they turn kidnappers. If you enter now, make you they shine your eye. No person where they enter, maybe you go even share your location, give person say, now here they go, then they no go carry you go another place. No, can they hear story that thought you say they don't carry you go to do ritual. Because as it be like this now, everybody I don't read inside Nigeria. People just they find fast ways to make money. See keke driver, you say you go do your legit work, do them in peace. Now you don't they find another magumago way to go use person to do money. Not be so. I hope say next time, make I just even pity you. Next time I go try this kind of rubbish. You go receive the kind pity where you go even receive. Forget say this one, they even pity you. Leave you say may they go. They leave you say may they go. I shall say next time you go still go do them because people like this, once they their mind, they go still do them. But I hope still that day you know go catch you. My people, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come inside. Make now use now ear. Hear waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write down for the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.